Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a part third of lines and angles, and today we are doing NCERT question number 1 and 2 from exercise number 6.1. So the first question is on screen. It is in a given figure, lines AB and CD intersecting at common point O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE. Okay, so the sum of angle AOC and angle BOE is equals to 70 degree, and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and a reflex angle COE. Okay, so friends, don't be confused in angle COE and a reflex angle COE. So when we are going to find angle COE, I will discuss the difference between angle COE and a reflex angle COE. Okay, so first we need to find angle BOE. Okay, so AB is a straight line and CD intersecting AB at O. So we learned in our previous videos that when two lines intersecting at a common point, there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. So the one pair of vertically opposite angles are this one and this. So angle BOD is equals to 40 degree. So angle AOC is also equals to 40 degree. So we can write here angle AOC is equals to angle BOD equals to 40 degree. Why they are equal? Because they are vertically opposite. Okay. So this angle is also 40 degree. Also given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So we can write here angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degree. Putting the value of angle AOC in this equation, so it is 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. Further, angle BOE 70 degree minus 40 degree, and 70 minus 40 equals to 30 degree. So angle BOE is 30 degree. Okay. Okay, I'm rubbing this to solve the further question. Okay, so wait for a sec. Okay, it is also given that AB is a straight line. So AB is a straight line. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because they form a linear pair. Okay, so we can write here angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equals to 180 degree. It is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. So putting the value of angle AOC plus angle BOE 70 degree here, and we'll get the angle COE. So after further solving, angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70 degree, which is equals to 110 degree. So this angle is 110 degree. Okay, so we need to find now a reflex angle COE. Okay, so first we need to find the difference between angle COE and reflex angle COE. To find the reflex angle, we need to go from here anti-clockwise without adding angle COE. Okay, we need to go here complete angle anti-clockwise without going COE. So when we start from here and reach at this point, we get the reflex angle COE. Okay, so we know that a complete angle is of the value 360 degree. So when we subtract 360 degree, when we subtract 110 degree from 360 degree, we will get reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE is equals to 360 degree minus angle COE, and 360 degree minus 110 degree, and reflex angle is 250 degree. This is your answer. Okay, so you'll get the answer of both the part. Angle BOE is equals to 30 degree and reflex angle COE is equals to to 50 degree. So now moving to the further question number 2. Okay, in question number 2, it is given that in the given figure, lines xy and mn intersecting at O, if angle POY, okay, angle POY is equals to 90 degree and ratio of A and B is equals to 2:3, we need to find angle C. Okay, so it is given that lines x and xy and mn are straight line, and line OB is perpendicular on it. Okay, so angle POY is equals to 90 degree, so we can find angle POX. Okay, so we can write here in the solution angle POX plus angle POY is equals to 180 degree. Why they are 180 degree? Because they form a linear pair. Okay, they form a linear pair. We can write here. Okay, so it angle POX equals to angle POY is equals to 90 degree, 180, and angle POX is equals to 90 degree. Okay, now it is given that A ratio B is equals to 2:3, so we can write here, let the common ratio let the common ratio x, so we can write A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. Okay, so sum of A and B, angle A plus angle B is equals to angle 2x plus angle 3x equals to 90 degree. Okay, angle 2x plus angle 3x is equals to 90 degree. After adding it, we will get 5x is equals to 90 degree, and x is equals to 90 upon 5, which is equals to 18 degree. Okay, so we'll get the value of x is equals to 18 degree. We can put the value of x here. Okay, so a equals to 2x, so the value of a is 2 into 18 is equals to 36 degree, and b is equals to 3x, so the value of b is 3 into 18, 54 degree. To further solve this question, I'm going to erase this part, so please note it in your copy. Okay, we get a is equals to 36 degree and b is equals to 54 degree. We need to find angle C. So MN is a straight line. Then angle MOX plus angle angle MOX plus angle POM plus angle XON is equals to 180 degree. Putting the value of angle MOX plus POM, MOX is equals to B and POM is equals to A. So we can write here A plus B, angle A plus angle B plus angle XON is equals to 180 degree. Angle A is 36 and angle B is 54. 36 degree plus 54 degree plus angle XON is equals to 180. Adding this, we will get 60 plus 8, 90. 90 degree plus angle XON is equals to 180. Angle XON is equals to 180. Angle XON is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equals to 90 degree. So angle C is equals to 90 degree is your answer. Okay, so these are the question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise 6.1 lines and angle. lines and angles. So please note it carefully, and if you don't understand any part, see the video again, and please share it to your friends. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe and share more. Your one click adds lots of motivation to me. Thank you. Best of luck.